Good morning. Today I'll discuss about the career opportunities that biology student is having after completion of his or her 12th examinations. So many news are coming to me from the market that parents of their children are going to some educational consultants and they are advising them to get study in IT field or normal bachelor's in associate or bachelor's in commerce in Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand. But I would suggest all the parents as well as the children who have biology background, who has just completed their 12th examinations, and some of them might be participated in NEET exams in India. There are so many study options abroad which are calling you to make your career brighter. The purpose of this video is to just show you some of the options you can have after completion of your biology 12th examinations. Let's get started. Let's have some study options abroad. I have taken some of the examples for Canada, Australia and UK. Right? You can pursue Bachelor of Science in Nursing. As you must know, there is very much demand for nursing and healthcare professionals in India as well as abroad countries. You can get this information by searching from any search engine like Google, and you can see some kind of videos on YouTube as well, right? You should pursue Bachelor's of Science in Nursing if you are from biology background, right? Second option is you should pursue some kind of healthcare diplomas, healthcare studies, bachelor degrees in healthcare studies, right? Other option is Bachelor of Child Studies, Early Learning and Child Care. There is very much brighter career after pursuing this bachelor degree. You can get a handsome job in Canada if you pursue this degree, because I'm telling Canada as an example because the first preference of children is Canada. Second option is Australia. Still, the second option is Australia. So this is a better option for you. Next is Graduate Diploma in Primary Health Care Nurse Practitioner. Again, nursing profile, you will be getting handsome packages if you pursue this degree, and after that you get some practical experience during your post studies work permit, right? Next is Bachelor of Child Studies, Child and Youth Counselor. This is another option you can pursue. Next is Bachelor of Child and Youth Care. Next is Healthcare Administration and Service Management. So some of the options in this slide I have told you. If you have any doubts about these options, you can ask me, or you can visit on Google, or you can visit some of the universities and college programs they are providing you. Next options are, if you want to go to dental category, right, then you can pursue University Diploma in Dental Hygiene program, right? Next is University Diploma Dental Assistant. Next is Advanced College Diploma Dental Technology. Next is Bachelor of Dental Surgery. If you're gonna be a surgeon in dental category, then you can pursue this program. Next is Bachelor of Science Honors in Biodental Science and Technology. Next is Bachelor of Science Honors Dental Hygiene. Next is Foundation Certificate for Science and Engineering in Bachelor of Science Honors and Dental Therapy. So I have listed some of the programs that you can choose for your career. I have told these options by taking consideration for the countries like Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand. You are advised, if you have enough money with your parents, because your parents are supposed to sponsor your studies and your living expenses and some other kind of expenses. If you have sufficient fund, then you should opt for studying these kind of courses for Canada, UK, Australia and New Zealand. It can cost you, I am telling about the tuition fee, from Indian currency 12 lakh to 18 to 20 lakhs per year can be the tuition fee. Living expenses will be extra, as if you take example for Canada, then the living expenses will be 6 to 6.5 lakhs in Indian currency. You have to pay them also. So if you have sufficient funds with your parents, with your sponsors, then you should opt these studies. I have not taken into consideration about the MBBS in these countries because it can be very expensive for you. I am giving you some economic and in demand study options for you for Canada, USA, UK, Australia and New Zealand. Right? The main thing you require for studying in these countries, you have to crack IELTS or PT exams. Right? If I take example for Canada, you have to take 6 bands each on IELTS for putting your file for your visa on SDSK. Right? So this is the basic requirement, you have to complete it. IELTS examination, the minimum requirement for the bands, or the PT examination or Duolingo examination. Right? You have to be eligible for the English language proficiency test. As well as you must have the sufficient funds with you, and your career objective should match these studies. I urge all the parents of biology students, don't push your students into any other bachelor program or diploma program rather than the biology background, because you have invested so much money and time in your children, and your children as well invested so much time for doing this science study, and now you are pushing them to any kind of degree just to send your children to abroad for study purpose and to get settled over there. But if you see these options and if you thoroughly check the possibilities of getting the career opportunities in these fields, then you will definitely get a chance to go for these kind of studies over there. Next, move further. If your children want to study MBBS, then we have an option for you. We are an authorized channel partner for studying MBBS in Asian countries and European countries. The universities where we will send your children for the study, these will be government universities, or it can be some private universities, but they will be obeying all the new NMC orders, right? And the college or universities will be WHO listed universities, right? And they will be providing NMC next coaching to your kids for preparing them to go through the NEXT exam after the completion of their MBBS. Once they get completed their MBBS, then they will come back to India and will take part in NEXT examination. They have to crack that examination to pursue further studies and to get some medical practice in India. All the study will be in English. There is no as such problem for knowing the native language of that country. All the study will be in English. The syllabus will be the same as the syllabus of MBBS here in India. There will be separate Indian hostel. There is no need to worry about that. They will be getting Indian food, and there will be Indian teachers available with them to understand better and to teach them in better way. So we have right now three areas, or you can say the countries in Europe. First one is Moldova, second is Armenia, and third one is Belarus. And in Asian countries we have four options. First is Russia, second is Kazakhstan, third one is Uzbekistan, and fourth one is Kyrgyzstan. MBBS studies requires only the basic things. There is no need to be having any eligibility test like IELTS or PT to get admission into these colleges or universities. There is no as such need. For getting admission offer letter of these universities and colleges of these countries, you just have to submit us your mark sheet of 10th and 12th examinations and your NEET scorecard. The question is how much marks you have to take in the NEET for getting admission into these universities. You just have to get the passing marks in the NEET. Just give us all the papers like 10th and 12th mark sheet and your NEET scorecard and passport front and last page. Or if you don't have passport right now and you have just applied for that, you can give us your Aadhaar card. These three documents are sufficient for us to get your admission offer letter, and we will give you offer letter in 2 to 3 working days after getting selection for your university in that particular country, right? And for the visa invitation, you have to give us original passport and 4 white background passport size photographs. That's it. Your MBBS admission will be confirmed. We are the channel partners and recruitment partners for so many universities in these countries. For more information about the MBBS, or if you want to pursue any other kind of degrees or diplomas related to your biology field, you can contact me on the number given on the screen, right, which is 90345246883. I will definitely help you out in making your career brighter, and I would suggest you what is the best way you should choose for your studies and your career. So I'll take your leave from this video, and let's meet in another video with some more information. Till then, bye bye.